Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is a completely random stock portfolio update. Please watch the Roth video if you haven't. I go over some details of M1 Finance screwing up and some other stuff. Anyways, current value of this portfolio is $12.07, so $1,212 in this account, with $4.51 sitting in cash. As you know, this is the completely random stocks. Anyway. This thing is up currently by $212.07 or 21.21%. So yeah, picking random stocks, especially when the market's down, it works, and it's almost all small cap stuff, so it works. Dividends, we've earned $6.50. We've been paid $4.13 this month. We've been paid $4.51 overall. And yearly dividends, I haven't updated this at all. I don't think I need to update this one on this one. So it's still producing about $24.48 a year. And that's all I got on this portfolio, guys. Again, short and sweet. And make sure you watch the Roth video. There's some updates in there about the channel and M1 Finance. Thanks, guys.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.